Hello everyone, good morning. How are you all? Welcome to online classes. Myself Vakil Abbas, taking computer subject standard 5th. Okay, let's start chapter number 1, function and parts of a computer. All of you know function. The main function of a computer are input, processing and storage and output. And parts of computer means monitor, CPU box, keyboard, mouse, speaker, printer. All these are known as parts of computer. Each of these device or a parts has a special function to perform. Okay, let's start. A computer is an electronic machine which is made up of device parts. Here device and parts both are same only. Device means also monitor, CPU, keyboard, mouse, speaker, printer. And a parts means also same monitor, CPU, keyboard, mouse, speaker, printer. Okay, used for input, processing and storage and output. Let's see the parts of computers. 1 or 2 point. First one, monitor. Monitor is look like a TV screen. It has a button to switch it on or switch it off like TV. It show whatever you write using keyboard. You can see cartoon, film and movie on monitor. Okay. Second one, CPU box. CPU box means central processing unit. The CPU box contains the CPU and many other parts that are needed to run a computer. As you know, when you enter the data into the computer, the CPU process it and give the output. The CPU is called the brain of computer. Without CPU, computer cannot run. Monitor, keyboard, mouse, speaker and printer are connected to the CPU box with cable. Third one, keyboard. The keyboard is a flat rectangular plastic board with many buttons on it. These buttons are called keys. There are more than 100 keys on the keyboard. Some of these keys are: first, letter key means A to Z capital letter, A to Z small letter. Second, number key 1 to 9 or a 0 to 9. Third, mathematical sign means plus, minus, multiplication, division. Fourth one, punctuation mark, comma, full stop, double inverted comma start, double inverted comma close. Special symbol like dollar sign, hash sign, @ sign, etc. Sixth one, function key. F1 to F12, all these are known as a function key. Now fourth one, mouse. The mouse is the small plastic device with a 2 or 3 button on it. It is kept and moved on a mouse pad. The mouse is used to point to a particular place on the screen, and so it is also known as the pointing device. If you move the mouse upside, then the arrow will move upside. If you move the mouse downside, the arrow will move the downside. If you move the mouse right side, the arrow will move the right side. And if you move the mouse left side, then the arrow will move the left side. So this arrow is known as a pointing device. Fifth one, printer. The information or the output that is produced by the CPU is displayed on the monitor, and this output can be printed on paper with the help of a printer. A printer can print word as well as picture. Okay, you see in the exam the question paper is typed, that is done in a computer. In the question paper, text or letter is there as well as image is there. Okay. Sixth one, speaker. Speaker are used to listen to music. Okay. Next slide. Function of a computer. The main function of a computer are input, processing and storage, and output. To understand the term input, processing and output, let us take the example of flour mill. Here flour mill means garganti. Okay. In a flour mill, food grain are put into a big funnel at a top, and they are slowly crushed in the grinder, and the flour come out of the opening at the bottom. Next slide. See the example of flour mill. Here the first arrow, that is known as a food grain. Okay, second arrow means grinding, and the third arrow is flour. In this entire procedure, food grain put into the funnel, okay, is known as a input. The action of grinding the food grain into a flour is processing, and the flour coming out of the opening is output. While seeing the diagram of flour mill, you will easily understand how it works. In the same process, computer is also work. Means upside put into the funnel any food grain, that is known as a input, and slowly crushed, that is known as a grinding, that is known as a processing. And the third arrow, flour come out at the bottom, it is known as a output. Okay, understand the flour mill example. Same way we can take the example of mobile. If the mobile is there, you are number dialing, that is known as a input. Ring is going on, that is known as a processing, and the phone pickup, that is known as a output. Okay. Other example you can take any example of fruit juice. Same this process. Okay. I see now next image. Input means food grain, processing means grinding, and the output means flour. Function. Now you, while seeing the chart, you easily understand there are three functions: input, processing, output. Now see, input device, two input device, keyboard and mouse. Processing unit only one. Process means only processing unit only one, CPU. Output device 2, monitor, printer. Okay, in the fill up the question will ask keyboard and mouse are dash device. So you know the answer, keyboard and mouse are input device. Same question will ask write the two name of input device. Then you know the keyboard and mouse are input device. Same, monitor and printer are dash device. Monitor and printer are output device. Write the two name of output device. Then monitor and printer are output device. Write processing unit, then only one, CPU. Okay, you have to remember this chart. Okay, now next slide. After understanding the chart, now we will see the definition of input. Data entered into a computer is called input. It could be number, letter, picture, or even sound. Okay, any data. For example, in the keyboard you press the A. That is known as a input. Here we learn also in this chart the input device too. With the help of keyboard also you can input, or with the help of mouse. So you easily understand input means data enter in a computer is called input. It could be number, picture, or even sound. Okay, understand the input. With the help of mouse and keyboard only you can enter the data. Now next, program. A set of logical step-by-step instruction given to a computer to perform a task or a work on the data is called program. Program means step by step. For example, if you want to open the paint, then you will go first in the start button, then all program, accessories in paint. Then the paint program will open. Okay, so you open the paint program, you have to go step by step. Then the program will open. Okay, understand the program? Okay, very good. Next, processing. When the computer work on the data means input according to the instruction means program, it is called processing. Processing will goes on the CPU box. Okay, we take the example of input. You are pressing the keyboard A. That is known as a input. After that it goes on the CPU means processing. Okay, only the CPU box is process everything. Understand the processing? Okay, Next, output. Information generated by processing data is called output. It is displayed by the monitor or printed by a printer. Information means, we take the example with the help of keyboard. You press A, that is known as an input. Then the A you press, that will go in the CPU box, that is known as a processing. And you A that display in a monitor, that is known as a output. And that you can print with the help of printer, then also it is output. Okay, understand the output. Output device 2, monitor and printer. With the help of monitor also you can see the output, or with the help of printer. Okay, if you understand the chart, then you will know everything very easy in a way. Okay, we are revise the chart first. Function, there are 3 functions: input, processing, output. Input device, keyboard and mouse. Processing unit, CPU, and output device, monitor and printer. Okay, this means that a computer process input data with the help of program to generate the information output. Now see, input means data plus program. Data means with the help of keyboard or a mouse. Okay, in a program. Now processing means according to the program. Whatever you press, that will go in the CPU box. And output means information. We take the example, with the help of keyboard you write the paragraph or insert the picture. That will go in the CPU box, means processing, and that will show in a screen. That is known as a output, means information show in the monitor. And if you print that information, then it is output. Okay, now see parts of a computer. A computer is made up of input device, processing unit, and output device. In the example of flour mill, food grain are put into the funnel. Okay, it is known as input. Hence, the funnel is input device. The grinder grinds the food grain in a flour. Hence, the grinder is a processing unit. And the opening from where the flour come out is output device. Same example of flour mill means garganti. And we take the same other example of mobile and other fruit juice. Okay, in a computer, the keyboard and mouse are used to enter the data and instruction into the computer. Hence, they are input device. Okay, keyboard and mouse are which device? Yes, input device. Keyboard and mouse are input device. The central processing unit, CPU, as the name suggests, is the processing unit. CPU means processing work is done, that is known as a CPU. It process data, means input, according to the instruction program, and generate information output. The CPU also store process data information which you can retry or get back whenever you want. Thus, the CPU process and store data, program and information. Okay, we take the example with the help of keyboard. You write the paragraph and you save that paragraph. Okay, then after a month you can open the same paragraph. Okay, no changes means store the data, you store that file in a computer. Monitor display output means information generated by the CPU. If you want, you can print the output with the help of printer. Hence, the monitor and printer are output here. Monitor and printer are output device. Yes. You understand the keyboard and mouse are input device. Monitor and a printer are output device. The processing unit only once, that is known as a CPU. Okay. Now we'll go the input device in a detail. Okay. The keyboard and the mouse are two input devices. They are used to enter the data or instruction into the computer. Now first one means keyboard. Keyboard is used to enter the data or give instruction to the computer. It is connected to the CPU box with cable. Keyboard is connected to the CPU box with cable. The keyboard is a flat rectangular board with more than 100 keys on it. This key can be classified as follows. Okay, while seeing the image, you easily understand. First one, letter key means A to Z, small letter, or A to Z, capital letter. Second one, number key 0 to 9. Third, key for mathematical operation, plus, minus, multiplication and division. Fourth one, key for punctuation mark, comma, double inverted comma start, double inverted comma close, semicolon, etc. Fifth one, key for special symbol means dollar sign, @ hash sign, etc. Sixth one, cursor key means arrow key. You can move the arrow key up, down, right or left. Seventh one, function key means F1 to F12. All these are known as a function key, means for some special command. Now eighth one, special key. Enter key, shift key, alter key and delete key. These are known as a special key on the keyboard. Now second one, mouse. The mouse is a palm-sized plastic device with 2 or 3 buttons on it. The left mouse button is most frequently used the button. Okay, left mouse click means we are using most frequently left click for using the mouse. Any program you open with the help of mouse means you are using the left finger key. Okay. Mouse is kept in a mouse pad. Now see, the mouse is kept and moved over a mouse pad. On its underside there is a spherical rubber ball which move as you move the mouse over the mouse pad. The mouse is connected to the CPU box with cable. When you move the mouse, the moment of the ball on its underside is covered into data, which is sent to the CPU through the cable. Means mouse is also connected with the CPU box with cable. Okay, we see that if you move the mouse upside, then the arrow will move upside. If you move the mouse downside, then the arrow will move downside. If you move the mouse right side, then the arrow will move the right side. And if you move the mouse left side, then the arrow will move the left side. Okay. It is then that the mouse show where you are currently working on the screen, or a point to a location on the screen. Hence the mouse is known as a pointing device. Okay. We see these two things of input device, keyboard and mouse. Okay. Now we will revise. We will revise all these things we are explained. Okay. First we see what is computer. A computer is an electronic machine which is made up of device or a parts used for input, processing and storage and output. Okay, then we will see the example of flour mill. Food grain put in a upside, that is known as a input. Slowly crush and grinding, that is known as a processing, and flour come out in the bottom, that is known as a output. Same way we take the mobile example, number dialing, that is known as a input, ring is going on, that is known as a processing, and the phone pickup, that is known as a output. Okay. Then we will see the definition of input, program, processing and output. Then we will learn the chart of function. There are mainly three functions: input, processing, output. Then we learn two input device, keyboard and mouse, processing unit CPU, and output device monitor and printer. Then we will learn about two input device with a detail, means keyboard and mouse. Okay, we will learn this much today. Okay, thank you for listening and have a nice day. Okay, bye.